Gaining control, yeah.
Here I'm going to show you not only how I lost 90 kilos, but also share every tool, skill and piece of knowledge you need to become the happiest, strongest and most peaceful version of yourself. Gaining Control is a sustainable, gamified, step-by-step wellness experience. On this adventure, you'll earn real dopamine from your progress, improve your sleep quality, boost your focus and mental clarity, develop consistency, discipline and commitment, and experience the true power of self-love. You'll be guided through a fun, engaging journey that transforms your body, mind, and soul. This is more than losing weight. This is gaining control.